So hey hello guys, so Barclays is hiring for data scientist for QA automation roles for Gurugram location. So if you are interested for applying job, you can get the apply link on our YouTube channel description, or else if you are watching this video in Instagram, you can get the apply link on our bio section. So here is the exact details about this role. It's kind of in area of data and analytical roles. Comes under business area control. Here is the referral code. If you are asking for referral, you can use this referral code. So here is the exact job description and roles and responsibilities for this role. So they clearly mentioned the core skills they are just needed for kind of expert level in Python, SQL, and advanced complex data structure and algorithm programming language are needed for this job role. And you should definitely need a hands-on experience on technical skills, kind of supervised and unsupervised AI models and optimization technique also. So the key requirements are ability to business requirements and technical plans and influences senior level stakeholders, and they are also asking them some desirable experience in some kind of Spark and Alteryx Tableau kind of BA tools. So these are the required skills and job description for this role. So can get the apply link on our YouTube channel description, guys. See you soon. Bye.